For more recipes, conversations, and DIYs for kids, hit the bell icon to never miss a video from kidstalkpress.com. Hello and welcome to KSP TV. Today we have with us Meera Rajput, the new mom on the block, and we're going to talk to her about everything that's obviously motherhood, but also about being a non-celeb mom. Though she's getting used to that right now. You're obviously looking super fit, so you got back into shape in like absolutely no time.
I mean, I did take my time. I was not in a rush because I was feeding Misha and I didn't want to compromise on that. So, I mean, I nursed her for the first couple of months and then I decided that, okay, now I'm going to get into a routine and I'm going to get into a regime, and that's when I came to Puja. And at the same time, I started working out, and I wanted it to be something that can be included into my routine with Misha in mind. I didn't, so initially I was going to work out when she used to take her afternoon nap, and or I used to call the trainer home. We live on the beach, so we did a lot of beach workouts and stuff like that.
Well, there's a will, there's a way. You can definitely get rid of it. Describe Meera as a mom. Paranoid?
Not at all.
Describe Shahid as a dad. Paranoid to the core?
Paranoid on the surface for sure.
Okay.
And I think a little bit of
You mentioned he's a germaphobe, right?
He is a germaphobe. I think it comes out of concern because he's so excited to be a dad. He wants to do nothing wrong.
Right.
So he doesn't want Misha to get a cold. He doesn't want her.
So you can sanitize everything in the house.
No, because I'm the one deciding it eventually. And I keep telling him it's okay. Let her get her hands dirty. Let her feel everything. It's fine. I mean, one of the cutest visuals we had was when I had taken Misha to my parents and she was playing in the driveway and she came back all dirty and I said, this is what I wanted to see.
Right. How are celeb moms different from normal moms?
They're no different. A mom is a mom, a parent is a parent. I think there are challenges in every kind of parent that you would say you are. If you're an NRI, you're living in a joint family, you're living alone, you're a celebrity, you're a non-celebrity. Each kind of parenthood has its own set of challenges, and it's just how you get your way around it.
What's the one lesson you definitely want her to learn?
I think it would be gratitude. That's something that I say all the time because this is the kind of life that she's going to grow up seeing. Is something where she's going to get a lot and she's going to get it frequently. So I think privileges and pampering, I just want her to be grateful for what she has.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to answer in a word. Is she a picky eater?
No.
Oh, that's great. Shahid as a dad is?
I can't narrow it down to one word. I can't. I mean, he's the best dad that I've ever seen.
Okay, so brownie points there. How many pregnancy kits did you use before confirming the Jubai?
I knew it. I didn't use it.
She's real. What's the one thing that you've Googled the most with regards to pregnancy and baby care?
Baby care would definitely be, am I feeding her enough?
Yeah, I know that. First person to get the pregnancy news. Just thinking. Really?
No, I mean, I'm going back. I think we were so excited, we were telling everyone.
Okay.
I can't remember.
What's the worst pregnancy advice that you got?
There's so much of it. I mean, I've got so much advice that's just gone in.
No, she doesn't care. She's like, not for some time. Right, so she doesn't care. What's the worst parenting advice that you got?
The worst parenting advice that I've probably got is for the future is let them do whatever they want. I think you need to say no sometimes.
You got to bang on there. One food that you just can't seem to feed Misha. And she goes,
She likes everything. It's just she stops when she's full. But I think I've tried feeding her avocado. I think it's too tasteless for her. She has a much more evolved palate,
right? One mom duty you wish you could just outsource.
Nothing. I want to do everything.
Really? Okay, so that's clearly because she's not. She's how old is she? 8 months.
Misha, she's 10 months.
10 months, right? Get to 8 years.
I'll tell
Get
you
them to
something.
brush,
If I-
get them to clean, get them to go have a shower.
I think
and
it would-
I would interview her in exactly.
I
2
have
hours.
outsourced the dirty diapers. That is something that I said right in the beginning. Listen, Shahid, I had the baby, I'm not cleaning the dirty diapers. Yeah, so I think I've outsourced the dirty diapers and
Yeah, that's it. That's the only one that she wants to outsource. Okay, great. We're going to play this short game, which is Have You Ever? And you need to hold that card. And you just need to put yes or no depending on what you want, okay? Have you ever turned a deaf ear to Shahid's phases of movie characters? Like, sometimes the beard, sometimes like a hair all
all
how
the
does it look?
time. If I had 5 of them, I would hold them all.
Use the sentence, I'm Meera Rajput Kapoor, to get away with something or get like special service. She's just good. Made up a craving sickness during pregnancy to get his attention.
No, because I was always craving and I was always craving.
She's too good to be true. Made extreme changes in your lifestyle to fit in. To the kind of fraternity that now you're part of.
I think it would be yes and no. I let it fit into my life more than me fitting into this.
Okay. Fretted more about missing something on the flight or more worried about the paparazzi outside? I've forgotten her bottle, or I've forgotten her bag, or I've forgotten the diaper bag.
Yeah, I think it would be that.
What would be the other one?
It would definitely be the I've forgotten something because that flight is like 2 hours long. The walk back is like 2 minutes.
Okay. Been part of mommy WhatsApp groups.
No, and I don't want to be. Please don't include me. I don't want to be
you
on
need
those
friends,
groups.
right?
No, I don't want to be on what are they doing today, what homework have they got, have you finished that essay?
You know, I'm on the hit list because I'm not part
No,
of
no, no. I don't want to be a part of this group. I remember when I used to go and have dinners with my cousins and stuff, my sisters would start discussing babies and maids. I said, listen guys, I don't want to be a part of this. Please don't, if you guys are discussing babies and maids, I don't want to be a part of it. And I'm right in the middle of it. I'm asking everyone, oh, so like, what is she doing now? What is he doing now? What books are you reading to the baby?
Right.
Stuff like that.
Okay. Worried about school admission first. She's getting there. You need to register at once.
There's a lot of mother pressure. I think peer pressure is outdated. It's mother pressure.
Okay, the last one. Got a meal plan or menu for Misha? It's like all organized. She needs to have those 5 things that Misha mentioned.
No, I think of it as the day goes along. Because Misha eats what we eat.
It's great. She's just sorted. How do you have this amazing calm on your face? I know everything that you do. What's the secret sauce?
Just nothing is difficult. It's as easy or difficult as you make it.
Wow. And date nights?
All the time. I love it.
So guys, it's clearly she's a young mom, but life doesn't really end, right?
It does.
So thank you so much for sharing
Thank
all
you.
of this information. There have been so many people who've been asking us to definitely have you on the blog. I'm glad we did. And
Thank
really,
you.
she's too good to be true.
Read Kids Stop Press. I have.